back to East Coast UK. Today you join me at the Diana Way Park in Caister, and what we're doing here is we're flying over the Caister Water Tower. And there's a bit of information about the water tower itself. They hold more than 3 million litres of water, which serves Caister, local villages, Great Yarmouth and Gorson-on-Sea. It's built in between the two world wars and reaches a height of 162 feet or 49 metres. And as you can see, during the Second World War, it was painted in camouflage to make it difficult to see from the air. Apparently, I was told it was used as a sighting post to then bomb Great Yarmouth, hence why they've camouflaged it. And now it's back to its beige colour. I can see it just over there. See, it's a beige colour. So what we're going to do, we're going to fly over the water tower, and then we'll see if we can get some of the sea as well. Right, back to you soon. Right, welcome back. Now on terra firma, and as you saw, we flew over, bear with me, flew over the water tower, just over there, some better view than through someone's house. Flew over the water tower. On top of it, the drone was going a bit crazy because we was going quite low and quite close to the actual trees, etc. So obviously my sensors were saying keep away, but yeah, we were very cautious, but obviously we could see the drone all the time anyway. Very close, was very close up to it. I was filming and operating the drone, so that was okay. Then we moved and we flew over, or part of the sea towards the sea. Couldn't go right up because that's just too far away for us from here, but it gives you an idea of what's around here. And when we came back, we spotted over the trees just over there, we spotted a solar farm, so we just had a look as it was there, just to see how much of the space it took up, but just being nosy. Right, hope you enjoyed this video. Any more areas you want me to go to? Goulston, I've done 2 videos on Goulston, so no, I won't be going there just yet because nothing's really changed. We had a look on the way up and nothing's really changed. So any more suggestions in East Anglia? Don't need to be Great Yarmouth, could be other places nearby as well. We are venturing into Essex very soon as well to do some filming. Right, like, comment, subscribe, you know the jazz. Bye bye for now.